Yo, yo. Good morning. Wow, my light is not on and I am dark. Holy moly. You know what? Actually, that's a vibe. We're just going to do no light today because I don't want a blinding light in my face. Actually, no, scratch that. We're going to put the light on. Ta-da. And there was light. Then there was a light. What up, fam? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How about all-time highs last night, huh? Like, mega all-time highs. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. New all-time highs. Again. The dips keep on getting bought. The buyers keep buying. Nvidia putting the world economy on its back. It's all good, though. We're here to take a little piece of the pie today. I'm feeling good. I am feeling good. See what we can pull today. See what kind of trades we can get into this morning. Buyers stepping up here. We're back above the Asia session lows. London session low up here. London session high. Came down, ran the Asia lows, Asia session lows. And now buyers are trying to step us right back up. Interesting. And on the... Let's pull up the Nasdaq 15-minute real quick. QU4. Pull up the 15-minute. Big wick action here. Big wick action. So we ran the Asia session lows. Buyers came up and stepped in. Let's see if we have any structure here. Maybe look for a buy up into the 70s here. Maybe a buy up into the 70s. We take a short. Kind of what I'm thinking. Kind of what I'm thinking. 70s short. That would be quite close to VWAP. Yeah. Pretty close to VWAP here. We could look for potential short. Pretty bearish on pretty much on the open all morning this morning. A lot of selling pressure. We ran new highs, consolidated, sold right off. But as we know, dips keep on getting bought by buyers. So we'll see. We will see. Try to take some good entries today. We're going to try to take quick scalps too. Quick scalps. We're not looking for home run trades unless it's just massively in our favor, but we're looking to take profits today. We see profit, we're taking profit. That's the vibe today. It's crazy we are trading in the 20,000s on the Nasdaq. Went to 20,371. That is just insane, bro. The market is completely irrational. It does not need to be up here. We are so extremely overbought, and the market just does not care. It don't care, bro. It does not care. Nvidia putting the economy on its back and just carrying it through everything. Oh, we get negative news in the economy, we rip. More negative news, we rip again. Market don't care. It is shrugging off absolutely everything it can possibly shrug off. If you're a swing trader in the futures market and you've been holding long, bro, you have bankrolled. Bankrolled. I kind of want to do that. I kind of want to start a swing trading account and swing trade like micros on like the ES or the Nasdaq or something. Probably the ES. ES has cleaner price action than the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq moves like it just like escaped a mental institution or something. So crazy and psychotic. If I was a swing trade, I'd probably swing trade the ES. Start with like a couple micros. Scale into positions as it goes in my favor, you know? All right, 62. One thing I need to look at here that I have not looked at today is what news do we have? Do we have any news dropping? Pulling up the news here. We had jobless claims earlier, housing. Let's see. So all the news has dropped. Kashkari speaked earlier this morning. Did he say anything? Let's see. What did Kashkari say? Is he gonna tell me? No? Okay. Well, Kashkari spoke. He's usually I'm pretty sure he's usually bearish on the market, but so we got no news really. We got crude oil inventories coming out at 10 o'clock. If you trade crude oil, be aware of that. And that's really it. Not much else. Not much else. Traded 64s. A little bit of sellers here. Just being patient, waiting for the setup. We're going to exercise patience today. If it don't look easy, I don't want it. If it ain't easy, it ain't for me. That's what we're looking for. I'm also on baby duty today. My wife's at work. I have our son today. So I might step away occasionally. Go take care of that. Good morning, Dustin. How are we feeling today, dude? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's funny you say Jay. A lot of people actually call me Jay. A lot of people call me Jay. Being patient here. kind of letting the market do its thing. Got this downward trend. Focus on GC early this morning. Hey, let's go. It's up 600. Bags. Bags. Let's see. We got liquidity at 85. Oh, wait, no, sorry, 52. 85 contracts at 52. Kind of just melting lower here. Melting lower. I really wanted the trade up at 70s. Didn't get it. We stopped at 64 to sell off, but I really liked the 70s, so we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Sellers still stepping up here. Might run us all the way back down. Kind of what it feels like. Come back down and testing the Asia session low here. Could be a good little pivot point actually though, because we did already run the Asia session low and then buyers stepped us back up. So now we're kind of testing it. So this could be a real retest before we go again. Something we got to watch for. Could potentially not be a horrible long. Not a horrible long. Not horrible. We got some liquidity just below 30. And see how price reacts if we go tap that liquidity. Looking like we want to kind of run this a little bit. We might get pushed down into the 20s. That'd be a push through all of that liquidity there. Kind of stalling out here. Could take a long and put a stop just below 27. Could be a decent stop. Maybe a 12 point stop right now to take the long. I'm not opposed to longs because I do like the way buyers stepped up down here after we broke the Asia session low and brought us back into it. So I'm not opposed to longing this. And with the theme lately of the market, it's buy any dip you see. Because literally all we do is dip and then go see all-time highs. Every time. Every time. Sellers trying to step up here. I think if we break 32, we go see 20s. Like we go see maybe like 20, what is this? Yeah, I think we go down to 20 if we break 32. little buyers here. Very slow movement. Rather boring. Not really doing much. Like very, very boring price action right now. Holy moly. Holy moly. There's the break of 32. That's our 32 break. Buyers bought us again. Seeing how price reacts here. Oops. Let's see. Oh, I don't have a group set up for all these combines and along with my funded accounts. Oh no, chat. Hold on. Manage groups. I gotta do funded and combines. So I'm trading all my funded accounts. I have 2 funded accounts here. And then 3 combines. I'm going to copy trade all of them. Okay, perfect. Now, do funded and combines. Contract size set to 5. Perfect. All right, we're good. We're good. I don't know what happened to my group. Sellers stepping back up again. But that 32 level, man, it's like a brick wall for sellers at the moment. It is a brick wall. Every time we try to push past it, buyers bring us back up here. I'm going to take this long. I'm going to take 1 contract long. I'm going to be really quick to kill this if we come down to 26 and potentially break 26s. Really quick to kill it. But I like the potential buy up here. This feels like a market structure shift with all the strong buying. So we'll just have to see. But maybe give it down to like 22 if it does run 26. I don't want to get spooked out and get my stop ran. So we might give it down to like maybe like 20, 22. sellers coming back through. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Fingers on the trigger, ready to kill if I need to. Yep. All right. We're going to kill that. We're not going to let that keep going against us. Well, GG's on that. Small little L, 290. We'll make that back in literally one trade. So just gonna be patient and wait for the next setup. Looks like sellers are trying to get back in control here. We broke back below the Asia session, and maybe maybe we go down and test the lows here. We'll see. Watch my stop. I probably just got stopped out and it's gonna actually go, bro. That would not shock me. I might re-enter this. I might do a little re-enter, which I don't normally do, by the way. Don't recommend doing it, but I might do it here. I'm gonna wait and see how price reacts though. Do I use the Top Step X platform? No. I've had combines with them on there. I'm so used to Tradeovate. Like it's hard for me to switch away because I've used Tradeovate for so long. But I do like the Top Step X platform. I like that it's essentially integrates with TradingView, and it's like using TradingView. So it's a really great chart. Also, that lockout feature is nice for people that aren't disciplined enough to walk away. You can just lock yourself out. I think that's a great feature to have. Man, does this... We have liquidity both ways. Up at 32 and down at the 10s. Looking like we want to come down and test these lows again. I also use Tradeovate. I'm waiting on 5 Apex withdrawal approvals, and then I'm coming to Top Step. There you go. All right, so glad I didn't re-enter. Sellers coming through here. Officially coming down and run these lows. My original short idea would have been great if we came up to 70s, because I would have taken that short. I would have taken probably a couple of contracts up at 70s and left the runner. So my short idea up at 70 would have been great. Now it's kind of feeling like we're gonna go just run these lows slowly and very boring like. Nas is ES holding up a little better than the Nas right now. Nas looking kind of weak. ES holding a little bit of support. ES catching a little bit of a buy. Trying to at least. If ES cracks this support, the Nas is just gonna tank. Nas is gonna tank. Let's go to the 5 minute on the ES. ES cracks this. It's gonna be all bad. I am trading 2 funded accounts and 3 combines through Top Step. Here we go. Coming down to test these lows. Coming down and test these lows. There they go. ES broke that support. Nas tanked. Look out below. So we're now below Asia session, well below Asia session low. New lows on the day for the London or for the New York session. A lot of selling. What's Nvidia doing right now? Is Nvidia like? I'm gonna guess that Nvidia is selling right now. Take a little look. Nvidia is not. Well, yeah, it's selling right now, but we're still up 2% on Nvidia. Nvidia saw a pretty deep little sell-off just now, though. Sellers in control for the moment. But what's been the theme? Dips get ripped. If you scroll out and you think about it, we've really actually done nothing. We're kind of just sideways. A lot of consolidation up here. I mean, we did run new highs, but we're right back into the consolidation. So sellers looking pretty strong. Sellers looking very strong. Testing, we're at 180s. Book map, let's see, we have... Oh, we were just running lower. We are just running lower. What just happened to my book map, dude? Hello? Please go up here. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. All right, we're coming down, testing this demand zone. This will be interesting. This will be interesting. I don't really want to long anything. I don't want to catch a falling knife. We are just melting hard, bro. This is crazy. I mean, technically, we're not even really down that bad, like up 0.18% on the, or down 0.18% on the day. But we're just melting. We are, what is that, 211 points off the highs now? Off like all-time highs. Straight down. Straight down. To see if we catch a little pop here, maybe taking another stab short. If the market will give me the opportunity to. But we got to be aware that we are in the demand zone here. We have to be aware of that. But this is a falling knife, so it just, everything's screaming short. Now we just got to look for a good entry. Being patient, waiting, chilling. Trying to go down and run lower. I wanted to short up at like 192. If it'd give me a little pop up there, that'd been a good short for me. But right now we're just we're a falling knife. There's no point in chasing this, especially down here where buyers have stepped up before. Man, it's been a melt, but this has been a slow melt. Like, we are just, feels like a drag. Like, we're not really moving that much. Buyers trying to step up here in this demand zone down here. Pretty large demand zone. Buyers trying to step up, but we'll see. A little bit of buying on the tape here. I can see a lot of buying coming through. But I don't know if it's going to be strong enough to overthrow sellers. Don't know. I'm really not leaning towards any buying until I see like kind of a market structure shift that indicates that buyers are going to reverse this. I mean, to be honest, like if we broke 130s, I mean, we could technically go see like sounds crazy, but we could technically go see 20,013. A break of this, we could just retrace all of this here and go see 20,013. Be a big move, but it's possible. Something to also consider is that we're just ranging, right? We've been ranging since the 17th, right? We're all just kind of sideways. So if buyers were to attempt to step up, we could probably see a move back up, but look at these sellers, bro. Breaking 130s. There's the 130s break. See how aggressive we get. See, do we break? We have a little consolidation at 20,100. So we'll see if we can break that. Or how price reacts when we get down there, but a little bit of buying coming through on book map here. Nothing to get too excited about though. Going on the 1 minute. It's just straight up just sell. Sell, 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 sell. Chat, while we wait for a setup real quick, I need to go get Easton, my son, situated with a little bottle. So I'm going to leave the chart up for a second while I go make that. I will be right back. Whoa, look at the buyers. Look at the buyers. Holy moly. Right back up in that demand zone. Interesting. Let's see if we can catch a little bit of a pullback down. I kind of like tick longs, honestly. I'm not opposed to longing if we can get a move back down. Maybe like 37. Look at these buyers. Wowzers. Well, don't think we're getting our 37s. Buyers are moving without us. Moving without us. Yeah, this buying is interesting. I'd like a little bit of a pullback before getting in this. I don't really want to chase this. But I think we could go up and see 94. Yeah, I really think we can go see 94. It's a lot of buying that just took place. It's a 50-point buy up from those lows. 50. Give me some kind of pullback. I want to take part in this. Holy. Chat, anybody catch that long? $60-point buy up off the lows. Anybody catch it? Missed it, yeah. Same. Yeah, I'm not trying to chase this, but I do really, really want to take part in the long. Oh, my book map here. I mean, they're just buyers just straight up ripped us. We catch pullback, I'm gonna take it long. I'm gonna have to get aggressive on my entry, and that's fine. And if I get aggressive on my entry, I'm gonna have a wider stop loss, which I don't like. I don't like a wide stop loss, but if it hits my stop, then we'll be done for the day. If not, we'll keep moving. But it's just not wanting to give me a pullback. Look at these buyers. Just absolutely ripping. Absolutely ripping. Still ripping. Trying to go up and see 90s. There's 85. almost 70-point move off the lows. My P&L today down 290. Taking one trade. Down $290. Really sad I missed this long, man. I stepped away to go get my son a bottle and came back and buyers were everywhere. Yikes. Part of it. I definitely don't want to chase it, not after it ripped 70 points. Yeah, no, we're not down that bad. I mean, that's 290. That's one trade. Depending on if I add in the trade or not, I mean, we could double that in one trade. So not horrible. Just being patient. Waiting. Waiting. What's up with this downtrend? Banks are still squeezing Roaring Kitty. No, I think Nvidia has seen a little bit of selling pressure, which, you know, Nvidia put the world economy on its back, right? So, I think Nvidia caught a little bit of selling and brought the market down with it. Is Roaring Kitty still in his fucking GME calls? Is he still longing GME right now? What up, St. Patrick's Trades? Is there a particular reason your name is St. Patrick's? I have a reason why I'm asking this, by the way. Or is it just a random name? I'll tell you why I'm asking that here in a second. Boston Irish guy. Got it. My birthday is St. Patrick's Day. That's why I asked. Born March 17th. I'm gonna start calling you Boston, though. In my head, I already got it. I'll call you Boston. Irish. Ripping us all the way back up. Holy moly. Did we miss an opportunity? Wow. Did we miss an opportunity, chat? Of course, you can't chase this. Permanent luck of the Irish. Yeah. Yeah. I don't have any Irish in me, but I was born on their day. Accepted into the Irish community by birthday. Taking it as one of ours. I'm there. I'm there. I am there. Where I also want to be is in a long, but I'm not getting an entry. Had I been here and had not stepped away, I might have taken this long down to maybe like 130. Counter trade along when Nutty went short. You legit have a counter Nutty account, don't you? Overall, like the trend is down, right? I mean, I definitely don't want to long up here. I mean, yes, that was a lot of buyers. Trend is down. It's hard to really say. It's up 4,800. Just screenshot and send it to him and tell him to keep doing his thing. I sound Irish? I am not Irish. Not Irish at all. To be honest, I don't even know what all I am. I might have like a little Irish. I mean, I don't know. I think I'm German. I think I have German. Potentially. I don't know. I don't know what all I am. Caucasian, I know that. I am white, I can tell you that. All right, we got pay attention, be careful, watch for sellers come back in through here because the trend is down. So we got to watch that. Wow, price went up to exactly what I said I was watching for, 194. I'm going to get canceled for that one. How am I going to get canceled instead of saying I'm white? I mean, look. I'm super white. And I even have a tan right now because I just got back from Florida. Chat, I'm like albino. See-through. Call me Casper. I'm your friendly ghost, bro. Like, put me in a dark room, I'll light it up. That's how it goes. Chat, y'all don't know this, but I'm also bald, right? And me being bald, my head is shiny. I'm like a freaking lighthouse. Putting off light straight off the dome, you know? Why y'all think I always wear hats, bro? I didn't wear a hat and I got this big light right here in front of me, beaming me in the face. My head gonna be glistening, bro. Glistening. He says I relate to that on every level. All right. What's Price doing here? Not opposed to shorts up here. Not opposed to it. We came out testing my price at 194. A little bit of resistance here. Overall we're in a downtrend, so not opposed to it, but we'll just see. We trading Tesla, my guy. My Roth IRA is full of Tesla. I'm not day trading it, but I'm full of Tesla in my Roth. Is it up today? What's it doing? Talk to me. Talk to me, John. Fill me in. Wasn't there some news that came out for Tesla today? No, we are kind of just chilling at 183. Tesla has sucked lately. It's been doing absolutely nothing. Chat, I'm going to take a short here. Take a short, stop above 195. Tight stops. Tight stops. That's where we're at. See if we can get a move down. Overall, the trend is down. Moving very slowly here. So I'm not going to add into this position. I'm just going to keep one contract. Moving very slow. I don't like how this is holding up here. Really would like this to just go, but buyers are kind of holding this up for the moment. Come back up to my break even. Don't like how this is holding up. Yeah. I don't like that at all. We're just gonna get out of that chat, take a small little loss, a little $100. I didn't like the buyer stepping up there. Only $100 loss on that. Downside target, I was looking for like 61, 60. But buyers stepped up. We were like in $200 profit there for a little bit, but buyers too strong at the moment. Sorry, we're only down just shy of 400. Not bad. Hindsight, probably should have taken it off when I was in $200 profit, just because I saw the buyers on Bookmap stepping up a little bit. So hindsight, probably should have taken it. But I really wanted, I was really looking for 60. But buyers are present. That was an interesting little pullback there. Still trended down. Yeah, I mean 100%. We're definitely a trend down. It's possible that I could have just been early on the entry, and I wasn't trying to give it too much wiggle room. Grab back chat. Hang on. Hasn't even broke the 20 EMA. I'm sure 567 on ES. Looks like downside target 520. Come buyers. Feels like a drag today, bro. Moving so slow. Moving so slow. Seems real weak though. Like I said, dollar ripping, Apple tank, VIX up to 14, 15. Buyers can't pull sellers. It'll drop out again. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm looking for shorts up here. Just it may not be until see maybe 18 could be a good short potential. But I mean, overall though, look at these buyers, right? Buyers could run it straight up to VWAP right now. It's just very slow moving, which slow moving can make it feel and look very weak. But I mean, if you look at the lows, we're 80 points. Is that right? 80 points off the lows? No, excuse me, 90 points. 80 points. Yeah, 80 points. We're in the middle of value area too. Right now, it's trying to pull an ES with it. Yeah. Yeah, buyers are present. Looking like we might go to VWAP. I'm really sad I missed the long entry because I wanted it. Wanted it. Wanted it badly. Trading 12s. Looking like we might go see VWAP. VWAP is in the conversation. Which would be the Asia session low. Maybe look for a short up there. The end of your run. Yeah, I mean, Nas wants VWAP for sure, which ES looks like it's trying to move up there as well. Yeah, ES wants VWAP. Ay, ay, ay. So slow. So slow. Damn. Yeah, I might just take a small L today. Just shy of 400. Just shy of $400 loss today, which is really small. I almost consider that a scratch day, to be honest, because that's literally one trade. But took 2 trades, 2 L's. 1 trade tomorrow will make up for today. Just one of those days coming off holiday. Not really moving too much. I don't really want to be sitting around here all day waiting for a setup. Know what I mean, chat? Don't want to be sitting around all day. longer you sit, you'll start making dumb moves in there. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing for me to really take here. And we're moving so slow that I don't want to sit for the next like hour and wait for a setup. So I am considering chilling. The only setup that I really see here is maybe we take a short up at 13. Or no, sorry, not 13. 20, 23, 25. Somewhere in that neighborhood. The only real like short close to VWAP, that's really the only thing I see as a potential setup, but really low volume. Oh, chat, I think I'm gonna call it there. I think I'm just gonna take a small L for the morning session. I'll probably come back power hour and trade and see if anything happens in power hour. Kind of thinking that's what I'm gonna do. This morning it's really slow, not really worth trading too much. So we'll take a small L on the morning session. We'll come back power hour and see if we can find some setups. I think that's gonna be the plan. So chat, my people, I will see you guys tomorrow on stream. Have a good day.